Welcome back, students. Here in the previous session we are discussed about what you mean by call by value. In this session we are going to discuss about what you mean by call by address and what you mean by call by reference. Here in the previous session we discussed about call by value. In that particular case we are calling the function by using its value. We are calling the function by using its value, whereas in this case in call by address we are calling the function by using the address of actual arguments, actual parameters. In call by address we are calling the functions by using the addresses of actual parameters or actual arguments. Actual arguments and actual parameters both are same. Actual variables, these three are same, right? Here we are calling the function by using the address of the actual parameters. In this case we are passing the address of the actual parameters to the formal parameters. We are going to pass the address of actual parameters to formal parameters, right? Here whenever we are going to dealing with the addresses, we have to use the pointer concept. What do you mean by pointer? Pointer is a variable which is used to stores the address of another variable. Pointer is a variable which is used to stores the address of another variable. Now we are passing the address of actual parameters. So here it means that we are passing the addresses of actual parameters to the formal parameters. Means formal parameter must be the pointer variable. Why? Because we have to store the address of actual parameter, right? See here, right? How we are going to, same, we are going to perform the swapping of two numbers, a equals to 100, b equals to 200. After swapping, value of b will be the 100. After swap, before, this is the before swapping. Before swapping, after swapping, a equals to 200, b equals to 100, right? See here. Now here void swap int star comma int, whereas in case of call by value, directly we are writing void swap int comma int. Why? Because here we are passing the values. Here we are passing the values. That's why I am going to use int comma int. Whereas in case of call by address, we are passing the address of actual parameters. Here, that's the reason we are going to use we are going to creating the pointer variables. We are going to passing the pointer variables. That's why we are going to write void swap int star comma int star. Right? Now, int main, we are calling the function int a equals to, here a comma b are local to the main function, so int a equals to 100, int b equals to 200. Cout before swap, value of a is 100. Cout int b, cout before swap, value of b is 200, so b equals to 200. Now we are here swap a ampersand address of a comma, swap address of a comma address of b. See here, a at 701 100, b at 901 200, right? Swap address of a comma address of, whenever here this swap function is a calling function, we are calling this function, so directly swap void swap in star comma y. So in star we are passing the addresses 701 and 901, so temp swap 701 comma 901, we are passing the addresses. Swap temp here 701 x equals to y is 901, y star y is temp is 701. Here whatever the values are going to be stored at 701 memory location. See here, temp equals 701, x equals to 901, y equals to 701. Just we are going to swapping the addresses. Just we are going to swapping the addresses. Here, what is the value before swapping? What is the value of? What is the address value of b? 901. We are passing the address value of b to y. It means that here y, this one, x is here, so 901 means now here this is going to indicated by x, this is going to indicated by y. See here, after swapping, what is the value of y? Y is 100. After swapping, what is the value of x? X is 200. See, before swap, value of x a is 100. Before swap, value of b is 200. After swapping, what is the value of a now? See here, x. Here we are passing the x value to A, we are passing the x value to B. So here x value is 200, indirectly x value is 200 means here A value is 200, after swap value of B is 100. So this is the call by address, call by reference. Now third one is very important. Here, before going to explain the third part, here I am going to explain what you mean by aliasing. Aliasing means here we are going to give the alternative name to the variable. See here, for example, int a equals to 100. Whenever we are going to write int a equals to 100, what does it mean? Here, system is going to allocate variable a at address 701 memory location, value of a is 100, right? For example, int b equals to 100. What does it mean? Int b equals to 100 means system is going to allocate one more memory location to the b and the value of b is 100, right? Here, whenever we are going to in C programming language, we can't perform aliasing operations, whereas in case of C++ we can perform the aliasing operation. Aliasing operation means here we are giving the alternative name to the variable. We are giving the alternative name to the variable. See here, a is 100, b is 100. So in C, whenever we are going to declare int a equals to 100, int b equals to 100, so at 701 memory location we are going to store the value of a, at 901 memory location we are going to store the value of b, that is 100, right? In this case here, now I don't want to allocate some extra memory location to the b, just I want to use the same memory location to the variable, to the b variable also. In C it is not possible. In C it is not possible. Whereas in case of C++, by using the aliasing operations, we can assign alternative name to the same memory location. See here, a is there, int a is 100. A at 701 memory location, value of a is 100 is going to be stored here. Now here, instead of declaring ampersand b equals to a, by using here ampersand b equals to a, it means that we are assigning here, by using this address operator we are going to perform the aliasing operation. Now here this b value is also pointing to the same memory location, that is 701. So here, now what is the value of b is 100, what is the value of a is 100. Now here what is the address location of a? 701. What is the address location of a? B, that is the 701, same thing, right? See here, I am going to explain how we are going to perform the aliasing operations. Here in main function a equals to 100, right? A equals to 100, int main a equals to 100, and b, here ampersand b equals to a, ampersand b equals to a means making of b is aliasing of a. So now a comma b are both are pointing to same memory location. Clear? Now here I am making b variable as the aliasing variable of a. It means that here both a comma b are pointing to the same memory location, that is 701. Now what is the value of a? Value of a means whatever the value of that particular memory location, whatever the value is going to be present in that memory location is going to be the value of a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 100. Right? Now what is the value of b? B is also pointing to the same memory location, that is 701. That's the reason. What is the value of b? B is also the 100. Right? Up to here value of a is 100, value of b is 100. Now I am going to perform a equals to a plus 100. Now a equals to a, what is the value of a? A is 100. 100 plus 100. Now what is the value of a? A equals to 200. Now whenever we are going to assign a equals to 200, what does it mean? A 200 value at 701 memory location. Right? Now A comma B is aliasing of A, so B is also pointing to the same memory location. Now what is the value of B? B is also 200. B is also 200. Now B equals to B plus 100. B equals to B. What is the value of B? B is 200. 200 plus 100 equals to 300. 200 plus 100 equals to 300. See here, and C out and L, B value is 300. B value is 300. See here, what is output? A value of A is 200. So here value of A is 200. Value of B is 300. Say in this given program, ampersand B equals to A, ampersand B equals to A. It means that B as alias of A. It means that we are going to performing the aliasing operation by using the ampersand operation. Now here in parameter passing techniques, which one? Third one is the call by reference, right? In call by reference, how we are going to perform the call by reference operation? Here by using the aliasing operation, we are going to perform call by reference. Here in the previous example, we are going to call the by using its address. Its address means we are going to use the pointer variable. By using the pointer variable, we are getting the addresses of actual parameters. See here, inside the function, the reference is used to access the actual arguments used in the function call. Right here. See here. In previous case, int swap int star is there, right? We are going to use the pointer variables. Why? Because we are passing the addresses of actual parameters. In this case, in call by reference, in this case we are passing the references of that particular actual arguments. Here in call by value, see the difference. Here we are in C++, we are having three parameter passing techniques are there. First one is the call by value. In call by value, we are calling the function by using its value, whereas in case of call by address, in call by address, we are passing the addresses of the actual arguments. That's the reason we are going to use the pointer variables here. In this case, here swap int ampersand comma int comma ampersand. Right? In this case, we are passing the references of that actual arguments, actual parameters. We are passing the references of that particular actual arguments. See here, int A equals to 0, B equals to 10. Before swap, value of A is 200. Value of A is 100. Before swap, value of B is 100. So swap A comma B. See here, swap A comma B, swap 100 comma 200. Right? See here. Swap 100 comma 200. Swap 100 comma 200 means here A 701, B 901, 100 comma 200. We are passing the references. That is 701. Here what is the address of X is 701. Address of Y is 901. We are passing the references. So temp equals to X. X is 701. Here X equals to Y. What is the Y value? 901. Now Y equals to temp. Temp is 701. So Y is indicating this 701 memory location. X is indicating the 901 memory location. Now what is the value of X here? What is the value of X? X is what is the value which is present at 901 memory location is going to be the value of X. So value of X is 200, value of Y is 100. After swapping, value of X is 200, value of Y is 100. So just we are going to interchange. See here, now here this will becomes A, this will becomes P. Right? With this, here in C++ we are having three parameter passing techniques are there: call by value, call by address, call by reference. Right? This we are completed. With this, functions topic is completed. Thank you.